Collaboration boards versus Kanban software. Which one is better for Agile teams? Most people assume that any visual project tool works for Agile teams, but the surprising truth is that collaboration boards and Kanban software serve distinct purposes and can impact team efficiency in very different ways. Collaboration boards like Miro Mural or Trello boards used in a free-form way provide flexible spaces where teams can brainstorm, plan, and share ideas visually. For example, a product team can use a board to map out a new feature, add sticky notes, or collect feedback from multiple stakeholders. These boards are great for creativity, planning sessions, and keeping information in one easily accessible place, but they may not automatically enforce workflow rules or track task progress. Kanban software, such as Jira, Monday.com, or Lenkit, is specifically designed to manage workflow with an agile approach. Tasks move through columns like to do, in progress, and done, and team members can monitor bottlenecks or workload distribution in real time. For instance, a development team can quickly see which tasks are stalled, who is overloaded, and adjust priorities to keep the sprint on track. Kanban tools provide structured workflow visibility that ensures iterative progress and efficiency. The key difference is structure versus flexibility. Collaboration boards encourage brainstorming and information sharing without strict rules, while Kanban software provides a structured, trackable workflow that aligns perfectly with Agile principles. Many Agile teams use both collaboration boards for planning and ideation and Kanban tools to execute and monitor sprints effectively. The takeaway is clear: if your team needs a visual space to plan, ideate, and communicate freely, collaboration boards are ideal. If your goal is to manage tasks, track progress, and ensure Agile processes are followed, Kanban software is essential. The surprising truth is that combining both allows Agile teams to innovate and execute efficiently, giving structure to creativity.